Hey, it's Andrew with Craft. I wanted to show you how to make some drinks with our cold brew concentrate. Let's get started. The first one's really simple. It's just a hot cup of coffee, and believe it or not, cold brew makes an incredible hot cup of coffee, and it's really simple. I'm just gonna pour in about 1 part cold brew, and then the second is pretty simple, some hot water. Now you can do this in the microwave too, so if you just go 1 part cold brew, 1 part water, throw it in the microwave for 2 minutes, you're all set. Now also, this goes without saying for any of these drinks, nothing matters more than your taste. So if 1 part cold brew and 1 part water doesn't meet your taste, then experiment a little bit. Add a little more cold brew, add a little more water, and see how it goes. All right, let's move on to an actual cold brew coffee. So same thing, we're gonna go half cold brew, half filtered water. There you go, iced coffee. Now, if you wanted to sweeten this up a bit, highly recommend our Madagascar vanilla syrup. Pretty simple. Little douse of that, stir it up. Again, you can make that as sweet as you want. I would start with about 1 ounce, and if it's not sweet enough, you can experiment with it. All right, moving along, same thing. We're gonna start with 1 part cold brew, and then you can add your favorite milk. So in this case, we just have some oat milk we have here at the cafe. There you go. Now again, if it's not strong enough for you, you can always add more cold brew. Again, we could sweeten this up with some vanilla syrup if we wanted to, but I saved these 2 for our special syrup. So we have one, this is our mocha syrup. So I'm gonna put about 2 ounces of this mocha syrup in here. You could use our regular mocha syrup or our gato mocha syrup, which is a spicy Mexican chocolate. So that's about 2 ounces of mocha syrup. And I'm gonna fill this up about 4 ounces of cold brew. Again, you can play with the ratios at home. I'm gonna give this a bit of a stir. I do this before I add the ice because it's a little easier to stir up. We're gonna add ice. And then top it off with milk of your choice. There you go. Last but not least, our salted caramel. I recommend portioning this out into something that's microwavable, and that way you can make it nice and liquidy like this before you mix this. So again, I'm gonna go about 2 ounces. Again, you can play with this depending on your taste. I'm gonna hit this with the cold brew, just like that. Give it a good stir. Get everything mixed together, get all the flavors mixed together. Add our ice. Milk of your choice. There you have it, pretty simple. Cold brew concentrate, CraftCafe.com. Pick yours up. We're doing local pickup Thursday through Sunday from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. Get yourself some. Thank you.